Hello Ronnie, it's a wrap here at Vast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2015 Lexus RX 350. This is a ultra premium package, has a brand new tires on it. These are Kumos, navy blue on a beige interior. It's been professionally detailed, has a brand new brakes all around. There we go. The mileage is just amazing. It's so low. It's less than 40,000 kilometers. Of course, it has a GPS. It has a reverse camera. It has a park distance controls. It is again fully loaded. It has all the options, including heating and cooling seats. Push start. It has a keyless entry, memory seats. All four tires are same, brand new. Has a power lift gate. The vehicle is in absolutely perfect condition. Polished, waxed, super clean in and out. Yeah, there is a spare tire right here. And it's ready to go. It comes fully certified. We just did an oil change as well, so the vehicle is ready to go. If you have any question regarding this vehicle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.